Hi guys, today we're in this little bistro that I love that's next to my ex-office. Actually, I used to have an office when I moved to New York 5 years ago and quickly got rid of it because I moved to Brooklyn and loved Brooklyn and wanted to stay in Brooklyn. It reminds me a bit of more of a European lifestyle somehow. But I was really happy to go back here to have le macaron, le matcha, and enjoy the day before going to do a few errands. So for this look, fall is coming, and this is kind of one of my favorite seasons for fashion because that's where you can really pull out some very cool look and this sort of color. So I don't know how to describe this in English. In French, I would say like brique color, something that's between brown, copper, berry, red, orangey, I don't know. This is really a color that I love, love, love. I feel like for my complexion, it's really working well. I'm gonna get a sip of my iced matcha. I usually prefer warm, but I wanted to try ice, and it's actually pretty good. I'm going to play with glitter today, but I wanted to show you this glitter because it's biodegradable and the color is super nice, and tell you a little bit on how to use it. So first thing first, I'm going to use this concealer under my eyes. So it's like end of the day today. So I had makeup already this morning, so you can see I have mascara. It looks like I have something on my eyelid, but I actually don't, which I like because then I'm gonna kind of use this as my natural eyeshadow basically. So just a bit of concealer under my eyes. I don't put around my lips because I'm gonna wear my mask in like a few minutes. And then, you know me, I'm a fan of using lipstick as a blush. So I'm gonna use this Honest lipstick. It's cream, so I love the texture, and blend into my skin. It's sort of a pink nude brick. I'm gonna say brick again. Color fits perfectly the top I'm wearing. Then I'm gonna have again this mascara cream. I don't know why I'm saying again. Anyway, you can see that I haven't done my eyebrows in a very long time. I was actually excited to let them grow a lot. So Jimena, who is like my eyebrows guru, if you follow me, you know I've been talking about her a lot. It's always like, how can we make my eyebrows bigger together? It is kind of like our challenge. So now I'm gonna have this eyeshadow I've used in other videos. You've seen me, I'm obsessed with it. And I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner all along the lash line. So classic shape, just use an eyeliner brush and just draw your eyeliner. Don't go too crazy on the shape to be perfect. Match both eyes because we're gonna recover the liner with copper. So why am I using this if I'm gonna recover it? The pink is still gonna shine through, first of all. So it's gonna change the copper into this amazing coppery pink color, which is for me really incredible. And then the cream part of it is gonna make it stay on, so I don't use glue. That's important for me. I don't want to use glue. So I'm just gonna pat the glitter on top of it, and the color will be so beautiful. So beautiful. So anyway, some of you might be like, why is she carrying like this little Ziploc of biodegradable glitter with her all the time? Like honestly, if I could, I would always have in my bag mini like sample of biodegradable glitter, copper, if I could, and always a red lipstick and a blue eyeshadows. That will be always the 3 products I'll use, kind of like in case of emergency, like I really need to feel good or you feel vavavoom, I'm gonna have one of these 3 things. Well, I'm gonna do the other eye so you can see. I'm just gonna pat the copper on top of the liner, and that's it. Tell me actually if you have some like looks like that or products that if you had to do like your beauty emergency mood kit, what would you have in it? Like that'd be quite fun to read your comments. Anyway, I use these wipes to clean up and to make sure that the line of the liner is sharp. These wipes are amazing. They're biodegradable. They smell incredible. They totally work. I'm going to have a bit more mascara on top. It's more to color than anything else, even if you already have mascara in the morning, to add just a little layer, end of the day, to just wake up your look. It's going to be pretty nice. Et voilà, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that look. Let me know what would be your emergency, what would we say? Beauty emergency mood? Beauty mood? No. We have to give a name to this kit, and we have to make it. So let me know what it would be in this kit. Thank you for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next week. I'm just gonna enjoy my macaron, my matcha, the weather, and I'll see you soon. Bye.